In today's video, I'll show you how to contact ActiveCampaign support if you need help with your account, campaigns, automations, or other issues. The easiest option is to contact ActiveCampaign directly through the official contact page or from inside your account. If you're already logged in, start by opening your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Look for the Help icon in the top right corner. From there, you can access available support options, including live chat and support requests. Depending on your account and the support options available, you may also be able to use the Active Intelligence sidebar to get help or submit a support request. If you're not logged in, open the official ActiveCampaign contact page. You can use the chat option to connect with the available support team. For live support, ActiveCampaign lists support hours based on Central Time, so check the current support availability before starting a chat. If you need help by phone, ActiveCampaign also provides phone options for specific types of assistance. For account support, you can use the virtual assistant or AI support number and have your account ID ready. If you're interested in sales or scheduling a demo, ActiveCampaign provides a separate sales phone number. Before contacting support, gather useful information about your issue, such as your account details, the feature you're having trouble with, and any error messages you're seeing. This can help the support team understand the problem and provide a solution more quickly. And that's how you contact ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.